Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Video lectures, Class 1, Subject English, Final Term, Lecture number 2. Nabila Amir from Divisional Public School and Intermediate College, Lahore. Contents of today's lecture are: recap Unit 14 on your book Oxford Reading Circle, question answer, page number 62, make sentences, and then we will solve exercise C and F on your book page 63.
Let's have a quick recap. Unit 14. This is the story about Happy the hippo and Penny the hen. Happy is a happy hippo. He's all the time happy and never becomes sad. So he is called Happy the hippo. He meets Penny the hen on the bank of lake. Happy helps Penny to get worms by making lots of holes in the mud. But he gets confused when Penny calls herself Happy, as Happy thinks she's taking his name. But then Penny tries to explain that her name is not Happy, but she's happy. कि उसका नाम तो हैप्पी नहीं है, लेकिन इस वक्त वो बहुत खुश है.
Now dear students, take out your stationery items. It is time to write something in your copies. Now open your neat copies, ready your pencils, sharpen them. We are going to do the written work.
Let's do the question answers. Unit number 14. Question number 1. Where is Happy? Happy कहाँ है? Where means कहाँ? Answer. Happy is in the lake. Happy झील में है. Question number 2. Who comes along? और वहां साथ कौन आ जाता है? Answer is Penny the hen comes along. Penny the hen वहां आ जाती है. Question number 3. What is Penny looking for? Penny क्या ढूंढ रही है? Why और क्यों ढूंढ रही है? Answer. Penny is looking for worms to eat. Penny कीड़े ढूंढ रही है खाने के लिए. Let's make sentences. Unit number 14. Are you ready? Okay, keep your pencils in your hand. Number 1 word is help. Help means मदद करना. Students, you could make your own sentences. These are only sample sentences. I help my mother. मैं अपनी मामा की हेल्प करता हूँ. Now remember, when you are making the sentences, it should start with capital letter and end with full stop. Do you help your mother? Very good. Number 2, pick. Pick means उठाना. I pick up my book. Number 3 word is mud. Happy plays in the mud. Now again look at the sentences. They are starting with capital letter and ending with full stop. Remember it.
Now we are going to do rhyming words. Students, what are the rhyming words? The words having the same ending sound. means last sound same, are called rhyming words like fan, pen, van. Now see, all these three words have the same ending sound, so they are called rhyming words. Remember, words that have same ending sound are called rhyming words.
Wow, where we are? I think it is Musa's house. Very beautiful house, Musa. How are you? Wow, you have a cat. Students, do you want to give a gift to cat? Okay, a hat for cat. A fat cat is wearing a hat. Fat, cat, hat have same ending sound. Musa, are you going to have soup? Wow, very hot. Hot pot. Again, have the same ending sound. Now, here's a gift for Musa. A beautiful rose near his nose. So, rose and nose have the same ending sound. Wow, thank you, Musa. Bye bye.
Okay, students, I think now you know about the same ending sound. Now we will solve exercise C on page number 63. Remember, you are going to find the words in the story that sound like, जिनकी एक जैसी sound है, same ending sound. So I'm going to give you the first word. Open your books, get ready and find its rhyming word. Nappy. Yes, have you found the word? Good, happy. Number two, take. Yes, quickly find the word from the story. Lake. Good. Many. Yes, hurry up. One, two, three. Okay, good, Penny. Now, two golden stars for you for excellent performance. Next word is sticks. Again, look into the story. Okay, pigs. Squishy. Okay, quickly go through the story. Squishy. Very good. Bank. Quickly go to the story. Tank. Two more golden stars for you. Well done.
Oh, whose class is this? Oh, it was Happy sound. Hello, Happy. How are you? I am fine. Happy, do you want to teach us something? Yes, I want to teach you naming words or nouns. What are the naming words, Happy? Naming words and the nouns are the names of person. Okay? Places, animals, and things. Happy, give us some examples for person like man, boy, girl, and examples for places, school, zoo, and animals. Happy, tiger, cow, And what about things? Toys, ball, chair. Wow, thank you, Happy. You helped us a lot. Okay, bye bye. Now let's do exercise F on your book page 63. You will also do it in your notebooks. Fill in the blanks with the names of things. Number 1, a happy. You could add any word like boy, girl, man, woman. Let's see which word is coming here. Boy, wow. A happy boy. A sad. There could be any word like boy, girl, man, woman. Let's see. Man. Okay. Sad man. Number 3, a good girl, boy, man. Girl, a good girl. Very nice. A long pencil, ruler, stick. Okay, pencil. Number 5, a full jug, glass. Let's see. Glass. Wow, very good.
Your home task: learn question answer of Unit 14 which you have written in your neat notebooks. Thank you, dear students. Hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. Allah Hafiz. Stay blessed.